So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable Updates 3RC. And then once you run this, you're going to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. There's going to be two downloads right here, x86 and for x64. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you run this, if you look next to system type, it's going to be telling you. So for me, I'm on x64, so I'm going to be getting the x64 download. If you want to say x86, then you're going to get the x86 download. So for me, in my case, I'm on x64, so I'm going to be getting x64 download. I'm going to tick this box and then click on download. It's now going to start downloading. And then once it's been downloaded, you now want to click on it. And then once this comes up, you're going to tick this box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we can now close out of this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.